Hey guys, so I know a lot of you have already seen this, but I thought I owed it to all of my followers and the fandom at large to do a dramatic reading of this Johnny Wattpad story that's been going around. It's not going to be all that dramatic. I'm probably going to struggle through it because it's fucking ridiculous, but I just want to read it out loud. So here we go. You were getting vagina surgery. It was necessary and it scared you beyond belief. You never had surgery before. But luckily, your boyfriend, Johnny Cade, was there by your side to calm your nerves whenever you felt overwhelmed. Johnny, I'm getting vagina surgery. Your voice was shaky and your heart was racing. Mine too, but I think for a different reason. Unlike you, he spoke calmly. I know. To think of it, you never saw Johnny's dick before. He always told you that he wasn't ready to fuck with 2 C's your pussy yet because his dick, 2 C's this time, the first time it was CK, this time it was CC, I don't know, was small and he was insecure. You understood, and as a result, he never got to nut in your butt. Tragic. Time skip, heh. You woke up from the surgery, the pain in your vagina was unbearable, but you tried to ignore the feeling. Where's Johnny? You asked your dad, who was sitting in a chair next to the hospital bed you were on. He looked at you surprised and confused. Who do you think gave you the new vagina? I want to point out that there's a typo where it should say gave. It's have. It's an H. Who do you think have you? Your eyes went wide and you started crying. Johnny was a girl, he screamed and stayed. It's supposed to be started or stayed sobbing because your man's was a woman and now he was dead. Hey, so were you lesbian? Stay gold. I want to thank whoever wrote this, and I also want to reach through the screen and slap them. I can't tell if this is serious or not. Like, I want more content like this. Please. Please. This is what I should start writing. Instead of serious fiction, I'm gonna start writing shit like this. Yep.